Hi guys, I have some really sad news to tell you. This will be my last video ever put to YouTube. I've thought about it long and hard, and I had to make that tough choice to leave YouTube. Now, before I go, I just want to say, fooled you! This isn't really my last video, guys. Happy April Fool's Day though. Right, on with the video.
Hello, we're at Pancras, the railway station in London. It's cloudy, but it's sunny. It's 14:11 on Sunday the 8th of December 2019, and we are here today to do some train spotting. There is a Thames service from goodness knows where. It's 700-133. So today here at London St Pancras International, you'll see services by Thameslink, obviously, since that one, East Midlands Railway, South Eastern High Speed, and Eurostar. This isn't the best place to do some train spotting, so I'll just go somewhere else that's better. So we'll just wait here for trains to come in and go up. Okay, departing now. What I just missed is a southeastern high-speed service to goodness knows where, and coming in the distance is a Eurostar 373 from I don't know where, and I can't get the number. It's an E300.
Stratford International, Ebbsfleet International, Gravesend, Screw, Rochester, Chatham, Gillingham, Raynham, Sittingbourne, Faversham, Whitstable, Herne Bay, Birchwood-on-Sea and Margate. This train has 6 coaches. Change at Screw for services to Maidstone West. Change at Sittingbourne for services to Sheerness-on-Sea. Platform 11 for the 14:25 Southeastern service to Margate.
Accessible facilities can be found in the front coach of the train.
Okay, coming in now in the distance is a Thameslink class 700. And on the other side there's a Eurostar
Platform 11 for the 14:25 Southeastern service to Margate. Calling at Stratford International, Ebbsfleet International, Gravesend, Screw, Rochester, Chatham, Gillingham, Raynham, Sittingbourne, Faversham, Whitstable, Herne Bay, Birchwood-on-Sea and Margate. This train has 6 coaches. Change at Screw for services to Maidstone West. Change at Sittingbourne for services to Sheerness-on-Sea.
Accessible facilities can be found in the front coach of the train.
And it's one of the E320s departing for either Paris Gare du Nord or Brussels Midi. I can't get the number, unfortunately. Anyway, coming in now is a Southeastern High Speed class 395 from I don't know where. What's the number of this one? It's 395007. Okay, departing now is 395029, Southeastern High Speed Service, a class 395 to Margate. Well, I'm afraid to tell you this, guys, but that's the end of another train spotting video. But my next train spotting video is going to be just down the road at King's Cross, and I'll see you in that video. But anyway, thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Give the video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my King's Cross video. Bye bye.